Hey everyone, Alan here. On this video today, I want to show you how much I got paid for a viral video on one of my YouTube channels, but I don't just want to show you how much I got paid. I want to take you behind the scenes and show you some of the analytics so that you could potentially repeat the same. And I want to show you one key metric that I think resulted in this video going viral. And then I'll show you a couple of other little simple tricks that you can use to potentially repeat that and get a viral video. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, it's Alan here again from the Smart Video Tactics channel, where I post videos every single week, teach you how to grow your YouTube channel, have the best impact, and get your channel monetized. If this is the first time you've come to my channel, go down the bottom, hit that subscribe button, turn on all the notifications. That way we can grow together. So on this video today, I want to show you how I got a viral video on one of my other channels to about 300,000 views, which is a viral video for me, how much that viral video made me. But more importantly, I want to take you behind the scenes and show you why I believe that video went viral so that you can repeat some of the stuff on there to help you potentially get more views on YouTube and how you could potentially get a viral video. So if we come over to Social Blade, this is my Smart Money Tactics channel over here, guys. And if we take a look at this, you can see that roughly I get anything to about 670,000, 700,000, 500,000 views every 30 days, and anything from 9,000 to about 12,000 subscribers every single month, which is not bad. It's come down a little bit, as you can see, because that viral video has started to dip down, and I'll take you behind the scenes and show you exactly why that's happened and how that happens. Okay, so this is the channel in question. It's called Smart Money Tactics, and I basically teach people and give them tutorials on different ways to make money online through affiliate marketing, drop servicing, drop shipping, and other websites out there where people can go to make money online. So what I want to show you today is I want to show you how this video over here got 281,000 views, and what I'll do is I'll take you right now into my analytics to show you exactly why I think this video has gone viral. So if we come over to the day that I posted this video over here, the video was posted on the 10th of April 2020, and since then it's had 281,955 views, with 10,000 people liking the video and only 527 people disliking the video, which is not a bad ratio. So if we come over to my analytics, you can see here that this video has had over 280,000 views. It's got about 19,000 hours of watch time. It's given me about almost 13,000 subscribers, which is not bad. And I'll show you the revenue in a second. So if we scroll down over here, I want to show you this metric over here, which is your audience retention. Okay, now this is one of the key metrics that I believe has led to this video going viral, and I'll explain that to you in a second, and I'll show you the video itself. So if you have a look over here, traditionally when my video starts, the first 10 seconds to 20 seconds to 30 seconds is the most important, and this is probably the lowest dip that I actually have. So when we get to about the 1 minute mark, I've still got about 60% of the viewers watching this video. And then from there, as you can see, the dip is very minute. Okay, and I believe this is one of the biggest key metrics to getting this video to where it is today. Not only does it have okay watch time over here with 32% of the people watching this video, okay, at 4 minutes and 10 seconds, and the video is only just under 13 minutes long, okay. But one of the biggest things over here is obviously not having that dip, because a lot of the times what happens is within the first 10 to 15 seconds, you could be left with only 50% of the people watching that video. That's the first metric, and I'll show you the start of the video in a second and what I did to try and get people engaged. The other thing over here that I want to show you as well is, you know, who's been watching this video, how's it been suggested? And if you have a look over here, under the suggestion tab, about 27% of this video is being suggested over the last 48 hours, okay? And then from YouTube search, it's received at about 23.5%. Now that is actually quite good for a video that's currently not ranking for any terms, okay? But it's still getting 23.5% from YouTube search, then browse features, which is absolutely phenomenal. And I'm going to show you exactly what keywords I used on this video to help this video rank. So firstly, if we come back over to this video over here, I'm going to quickly play the first 5 to 10 seconds, okay, and what I did to keep the viewers engaged, okay? So let's play this very quickly. So that's the first 5 seconds, okay, guys? So basically I've had music, something spinning, and people are going to sit there. They're going to wait to see what is this about, what's spinning, how much is this, and then I'll go straight into, I'm going to show you exactly what's in this video, okay? So people know from the get-go what this video is about and exactly what I'm going to be explaining on this video. So that's the first thing, okay? And then I'll go into coming over here. And another really good thing is let me just go over here and I'll silence this over here. So it's got that there. Then I'll go into, showing them the Google. As you can see, screens are changing every few seconds, okay? Keeping people engaged, going through the transitions. Then he goes over to me. Then another thing that I did on this video is once I get past my introduction over here, I go into the website that I'm going to be talking about, but I gray it out for a few seconds, okay? And the reason why I do that is because I still want people to be intrigued and to listen to what I have to say. And all this is leading to a longer watch time, people being engaged at the beginning, which I believe is one of the key reasons why this video has gone viral. And when we come over here, guys, and we take a look at this, you can see here that none of my video tags over here are actually ranking, but I have used, because this video is about freelance writing and there is a website out there that will literally pay people anything from $100 all the way up to $3,000 for articles. This is the claim that that website makes, and these companies will pay writers some really good money. So what I have done over here is I've used freelance writing jobs for beginners, become a writer, article writing, earn money online 2020, earn money writing. I've used these tags in this video. So when people search for those keywords, or people that have watched those types of videos before, YouTube will start to push this content to them, which is a lot of the comments that I've received on this video. And people are commenting on this video saying, fantastic, great video, love these articles, signing up today. People have told me they've made money from it, and all that engagement on there, clicking that like button as well. People have helped this video get it to where it is today. So the engagement with the likes of 10,000 people liking this video, if you come over here and if you have a look, I have had 1,255 comments on the video, which I go into depth and tell people to comment, has helped this video get to where it is. So now if we come back over to this video over here, the analytics of this video, and if we scroll back up, okay guys, you can see here that this video, this 13-minute video, is responsible for me making almost $5,000 in 3 months, with this video getting almost 300,000 views. So it's not bad considering this video took me about 4 hours to make. That's how much money I've gone and made from that. So once you get your 1,000 subscribers, your 4,000 watch hours, this is something that you can look forward to. Once you start getting a little bit more experience, once your channel is monetized, you can start to make some really good money if your video goes viral. But you have to follow your key analytics. You have to watch what you're doing, and then you can start repeating that and testing it on other videos. But it's really important that you come over here, you have a look at your analytics, and then you follow everything that's working really, really well for you. And another thing I did on this video was a premiere over here, and I had a maximum of 74 people, which isn't a lot. I've had up to 160 people on my premieres and even 200 people on my premieres. So this wasn't even that great. But the fact that people stayed on and watched this video and it had a lot of engagement has helped this video go viral, and it's helped me make some really good money just off one video. So that was my video for today, guys, on how I got a viral video, why I think it went viral, and how much YouTube paid me for this viral video. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button in appreciation. Go down the bottom and comment. Let me know what you thought of this video, and make sure that you hit that subscribe button, turn on all those notifications, because I'll be coming out with another fantastic video to help you grow your YouTube channel. Until next time, I'm Alan from Smart Video Tactics. You stay safe, and goodbye.